Hey family, we booked a cruise on Carnival Liberty and we got the very last room in the back of the boat. This is our room tour. We just picked up our room keys, so let's go ahead and hop right on in. Let's see this room. So this is our room. We did get a window in our room. It's not a balcony room, it's just with the window. But let's kind of start from the front. So obviously here's the door. And this is the restroom. If you want to go ahead and step on in. We got the shower. We got the toilet. Looks like the shower comes with shampoo as well as body gel. There are several towels in here and some facial tissue and mirrors. And from a personal point of view, this is what the bathroom looks like with just me standing in it. So you can see about how much room you would have if you had more than one person. We were both able to fit into the shower perfectly fine. However, the shower curtain, it doesn't quite touch the floor all the way. So some of the shower water does get onto the floor. So just be careful of that. We're gonna come over here to this side. There is a closet, has a couple of hangers, also has some light vest inside. And let's look on the other side right here. Some pillows with the mirror. And space to like put your clothes in. There we go. Now let's go to the bed. This is a queen size bed right here. We also have two different types of paintings of art, so that's fun. Now let's talk about this bed. You guys, this bed was so comfortable. It's two twin size beds that they pushed together to make a king size bed. But you guys, it was so comfortable. We slept like babies. Look at our faces. Like we just woke up that morning, was getting ready to go to breakfast, and we could have stayed in that bed all morning long. And in case you were wondering, hey, where are the towel animals? Don't worry, we got them. We just got our room early before they could make one, but we had a towel animal every day of our stay. Here's this cute little duck. That was probably my favorite. Look at the beautiful sunrise. This was 6:30 in the morning and the waves were just calm and relaxing, and pretty much this is how the waves looked the entire trip. Good morning. I just showed you the calm waves. It's 6:35 a.m. The sun is rising and you're probably wondering, okay, how rocky is the ship, especially with you being on the very last room in the back of the boat? You guys, this is probably some of the best sleep we've had. We have not had any issues with the boat rocking or swaying back and forth and getting motion sickness. We are wearing our C-bands, link in the description box if you, haven't seen those before. But honestly, we haven't had any issues. I mean, he's still in the bed, that lets you know how comfortable it's been. And I'm up just because I'm up. I'm ready to go take my shower, brush my teeth, get started for the day. But yeah, we just wanted to let you know, if you're kind of leery about getting the last room on the boat in the very back, just know we didn't have any issues. Every cruise is going to be different, but our cruise, smooth sailing. There's also some drawers right here. Look there, I found the hair dryer, so it's included inside of the drawer. Looks like that drawer is locked, that drawer is open, and this drawer is open. This water is not free, just so you know. $4.25. This is our safe. So if you wanted to have stuff locked up, there's where the safe is. Here is the television, and it comes with the remote. There's some more kind of art right here with the light. And here is our beautiful view. We have not stepped off of, or we haven't left the port yet, so you can still see them like loading luggage and everything. But yeah, this is our room, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Oh, and let me go ahead and show you this. Water is not included, but we did order some water. So this is our water. It is spring water. If you wanted to have your own beverages, Carnival does not allow you to bring bottled water on board. So you have to purchase it, or you can bring like a water canister, and you can fill your water canister up with the fountains. But we went ahead and purchased this. Is a little fridge that you can put like water or your snacks inside of. So you cannot bring any aerosol spray, so like your Lysol aerosol, you can't bring that unless it's travel size. But we did bring some wipes that you can bring on board. There's our bottle of wipes right there. We noticed that there was only one outlet here, which is this right here. So we did ask the nice gentleman that was, you know, our assigned room person if there were other outlets, and he said he'd be right back, and he brought us a whole entire what are these called, power cords. So outlet strip, yeah, outlet strip. So just keep that in mind, that there's only one outlet in the room. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this room tour. I hope it was helpful to you if you're deciding to take a cruise on Carnival Liberty. And make sure you stay tuned for our Carnival Liberty tour, where we show you some of our favorite eats, our favorite attractions and things to do, and so much more. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.